So I just did my oil change. Did a 5W30 for the hot summer here in California. Now, while we're at it, let's install the fender liner for both the passenger and the driver's side. So the first thing I'm gonna do, gonna take off the wheels, jack up the car, make sure you have some jack stand, some gloves, some new bumper clips. And so this is self-explanatory. Usually the fender will tell you right side, left side. So left side is the driver's side, right side is the passenger side. But this one on the driver's side didn't have left on it, but you could just match it up with the old one. So you can see it. Everything matches up, and then this goes right under here. Reason why I'm changing it, because I was driving on the highway. I don't know what I ran over, but the clips fell off and the fender liner was dragging, so, and the holes were torn a piece. I couldn't zip tie it, so I just cut it off. Now I just bought the replacement off of eBay. I believe it's $38 with tax. You get the front too, so that's the deal. Aftermarket is not original, but I mean basically you got these screws right here. One, I'm missing, then this screw, then this clip, this one, and then this right here, just behind the fender, and one behind here, and it's gonna be like few that's under it. Just follow these holes right here. That's why I say it's good to have buy a replacement bumper clips. I bought a whole bunch, about 50 pieces off of Amazon. It's not original, but it works. Alright, let's get to it. So we took the fender liner out, and the reason why I was telling you to buy replacement clips or additional, or at least 40-50 pieces, because some of these clips actually broke off. So don't cheap out, just buy the replacement bumper clips. And this is how it looks like taken out. See, this one goes under the old cold air intake that I have, and it's already torn apart. So let's compare this one with the one that we're gonna install, and look, everything looks good. Still got the tag and part number on it. I'm just gonna leave it on for future reference. Now let's install the new one. So as you can see, I'm almost 50% done, but you're gonna have different size holes for each clips. So for the smaller one, like this, I replace it with this one right here. So this is how it looks like. So I should just use this for the smaller holes, and then for the bigger holes, you could use the push-up bumper clip with the retainer. Alright, so I got the fender liner in, and I had to use different clips, different screws, and some of the holes line up. But under here, I try what I can. And there's a clip right there, right there. This one I had to use a smaller one, and this one also, and then this one definitely a smaller one, and then use a screw with this one. It's supposed to be a screw here and here, but it's why I didn't feel like I couldn't take this screw out because it's stuck with the bracket, and this one the hole didn't really line up. So like I say, this is aftermarket, but it works, and everything looks good. I'm happy with it, and hopefully it withstand the vibration, the third degree snow, the winter. But overall, I'm happy. Give this aftermarket fender liner a 9 out of 10. Now I'm not going to show you the installation of the passenger side, because it's basically the same as the driver's side. So the way you take it out is the same way you put everything back in. Just take your time and have patience. I have no idea what these numbers are for. But yeah, if you have any question, leave me a question in the comment section. I'll try my best to get back to you. Alright, thanks for watching, and be safe.